Just picked up a new wine fridge. This one's about 3 times as tall as my last one. It's at 65 because I just opened the door. I installed some foil on there to keep the light out. And I just threw this in there a few seconds ago so I can test and see what the humidity percentage is. Hopefully it's like my last one. My little one that I had at 60 degrees, it would sit right at 60% humidity, so. Vino, Vivao is the brand. I don't know why the fuck they name these things so weird. This was the other one. Jin Jun. As you can see, it was just a little 3-rack 12 bottle. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 racks on this one. I took 2 of them out of there. Trim my buds up after I hang dry them. Just throw them inside.